As we mark 100 days after the tragic wildfires on Maui, we were grateful to meet with the people of Maui to follow up on President Joe Biden's visit. To everyone we had the opportunity to meet and the countless others who are helping to inform our work, mahalo, mahalo, mahalo.
As President Biden said, the Biden-Harris administration is committed to supporting the people of Maui for as long as it takes and be part of the work to rebuild the way the people of Maui want to rebuild. Thank you for the opportunity to be in community with you and a part of this recovery effort together.
In the aftermath of the devastating wildfires, our Maui ohana have been resilient.
And as we listen to community members share their mana'o, their wisdom and insights on Lahaina's recovery, we return to one key question.
What is Lahaina's vision for the future?
The Biden-Harris administration continues to be fully engaged in recovery efforts.
Through site visits with our partners in FEMA and meetings with federal, state, and local leaders, we saw firsthand the unwavering commitment to ensure that recovery efforts are carried out in a culturally sensitive way that respects the rich history and people of Maui.
And by meeting survivors where they are, many of whom are Native Hawaiian, Pacific Islander, Filipino, or come from immigrant backgrounds, FEMA and other federal agencies like Health and Human Services are ensuring that efforts to build are community-led and community-driven.
The White House Initiative and the Biden-Harris administration are here to ka ko'o Maui, support Maui, for as long as it takes.
Mahalo
nui loa.